Welcome everyone. We're Team HomeInstead. If the idea of owning a home one day seems out of reach, you are not alone. You are in the majority, with 60% of Australians experiencing housing stress in the face of Australia's most formidable housing crisis. Safe, accessible and affordable housing has become a competition rather than a basic human right. We're not using the land that's available to us, even in urban areas. 14% of office buildings in Sydney CBD are currently vacant, with more predicted to empty as working from home continues to become the preference for Australians. This is approximately 140,600 square metres of space. For context, that space could comfortably fit 6 opera houses or 1,400 people into medium densities of housing. Through the implementation of environmentally friendly infrastructure and practice, in conjunction with prioritising diverse occupants, these buildings will be converted into affordable first home ownership opportunities to provide relief to those who feel trapped in the rental market. These buildings are doubly lucrative. Firstly, spaces that would otherwise be impractical for housing will take on new roles in sustainability and community for this take on housing. This will be seen as the buildings will be remodelled to include environmentally conscious emerging technologies within these dead spaces. Secondly, this project will reduce the stress of the housing crisis by creating more homes. The hiring of students and new career starters to be part of the design, getting new perspectives involved in the process of home creation and ideation. And lastly, it's designed to be affordable, with capped pricing and exclusions for homeowners, creating a space for those who are currently underrepresented in the current housing market. We have a range of well-established technologies to make big buildings more sustainable, and we've seen how this can be successful, from the city of Tokyo all the way to Copenhagen. But we aspire to go one step further by literally recycling entire buildings, combining innovation with tried and tested environmental and social science. This project tackles the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 11. Project HomeInstead addresses the Australian housing crisis by renovating abandoned offices into comfortable living spaces. Dead spaces in the buildings will be revitalised with emergent technologies to make the building one community that can appreciate sustainable living and social connection. COVID was an event that changed the way we live and work. Today, we are uniquely poised to pivot from the fallout of COVID into an opportunity for innovation in our social and physical structures. Let's finally move against this housing crisis.